KB Hasina Urdu Girls High School Asa, District Latur. We will learn talking about things, 5th standard. A red sweet apple. A fat elephant. A small cup. A tall tree. A green parrot. A beautiful house. A cold ice. A new car. A small wall. A strong lion. A pink socks. A little rat. A beautiful umbrella. A soft cushion. A colorful fish. A ripe mango. An old man. A hard stone. A shiny star. A golden orange. A pink flower. A red ribbon. A brown rabbit. A sweet biscuit. A long nose. A pink beautiful frog. A new doll. A brown cupboard.